Hi, we're here at the TDWI 2012 World Conference in San Diego. I'm here with Dave Stodder, who is TDWI's Director of BI Research. And Dave, I understand you just released a best practice report on customer analytics in the age of social media. Can you tell us a little about that?
We did. It was really a fun project to work on. It's a great topic. Customer analytics itself is a great topic because it's a real engine of innovation in a lot of companies. And then if you sort of bring it in the social media context, which is probably the hottest thing in customer analytics, it was just a lot of fun to write the report. There's so much to talk about. So.
Any insights you'd like to share?
Sure. Well, I think it's early. I mean, companies are kind of, I guess you could say, immature with customer analytics, and there's some silos kind of going on where you have the main, people who are doing traditional, more customer transaction data analysis, things like that. And then usually somewhere else in the organization, there's data scientists often doing social media analytics. So what's starting to happen is organizations are trying to pull those together. And so I talk about that in the report quite a bit.
Great. And I understand it also ties into our executive summit that you're leading this week. Can you talk a little bit about that?
Sure. How about that for planning a customer? The theme of the summit is, big data analytics for customer intelligence. And again, there's so much interesting stuff going on, so we've got a great lineup of speakers here. A lot of interesting case studies where they're doing social media analytics, doing other kinds of predictive analytics. So it kind of really runs the whole gamut of things that organizations are doing with customer analytics. And then also just looking at data architectures and how for analytics they're very different from BI, and then you sort of add in, well, what about Hadoop and things like that? How does that fit in? So we'll talk about that. And then Philip Russum, my colleague, he's going to be talking about customer data integration and kind of how that's adjusting to social media and big data. So it's going to be good.
It sounds like it. There's a lot going on here. And for those of you who aren't able to be here, you can get a taste of it by downloading Dave's report, Customer Analytics in the Age of Social Media, at tdwi.org. Thanks for your time today.
Welcome.